Thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. This is going to be a quick one. Today we're just going to go over how to test your browser side events within Facebook itself. You can also use the Facebook Pixel Helper. We'll kind of show that as well, but I'll just figure we hop right in. If you go to your business manager, and then even if you have like these three lines wherever you're at, you can find Events Manager up here. If you don't see a shortcut for it, scroll down. You'll be able to find it in these options here. That will take you to here, and you can have your your overview, and then you can go test events right here up at the very top. Then click on confirm your website's events are set up correctly. Type in your website address that you're testing your Facebook events on. Click open website. Then what you're going to want to do is just, I know where some of my events are, so we'll just set them off and set this one off too. All right, so then you can come back here and you can see all the events you just fired. So what that does is it gives you these options right here. So you can see like, oh, okay, I'm sending the advanced matching parameters I'm sending with this are boom. The advanced matching parameters I'm sending with this are boom. So like gender, IP address, user agent. So I know I'm actually like sending those along with the object properties of the product or whatever you're attaching to your events. So you can see like I can see that all these are sending with that event. And yeah, it makes it pretty easy to at least debug yourself without the Facebook Pixel Helper, which is a Chrome extension. It's free. Just Google Facebook Pixel Helper, and that's just gonna be like up here, kind of the same exact thing. And then you can see, like I see these two are sending with this event. There's more information on the other side because it also showed that we sent user agent and things like that. So the Chrome Pixel Helper, just Meta Pixel Helper, just lets you double check that the events you're sending are sending and then what information is sending with those. So I hope that helps. I think that this kind of goes with my, like, if you're sending events with Google Tag Manager, the debugger is helpful as well to know like what information you're sending to the data layer, for instance. But yeah, I think from a basic standpoint, this should help you um, testing your events. Have a wonderful rest of your day and catch you next time for another tips and tricks tutorial video. Let's go, marketers. We love this.